form that you submitted for quotes on an African destination, adults only / resort style getaway. So I saw on your form that you're looking in June of 2023, and your per person budget is about 1,000 to 1,500. So I found 3 options which all fit within your budget. I wasn't sure kind of which area within Africa you're looking at. North Africa tends to have more of a Mediterranean style, kind of like Middle Eastern, Arab type of theme. Your Eastern Africa is more like safari, and your Southern Africa has some safari type of feel, but it also is a little bit, has a good mixture of Western influence as well. But I'll kind of get into that when I tell you specifically the countries that I found some options in that we're looking at. So I'll go ahead and start with the very first option. This one is, this one is in Tunisia. And let me show you where that looks like on the map. Let's see here. Okay, so here's our Atlantic Ocean. On the other side, of course, is the US. Tunisia is right up here in North Africa. And so this is where the first hotel that I found for you all. You said you had 4 individuals. So this is the first option. It's located in Tunisia. The second option that I found is in East Africa, and the third is in South. But I'll refer back to the map when it's time for that. So for your first option in Tunisia, let's go ahead and let's start with looking at a few pictures, and then I'll go into some pricing. So again, North Africa is very like Middle Eastern type of theme, Arab, Arabian influences. Tunisia kind of has climate, kind of more like a desert climate. And you'll see a lot of that. So just kind of going through some pictures here. And you see the beautiful, desert out by the pool. You see some of the, like in the decor, it's really like an Arab theme. It's really beautiful colors, color schemes. And we'll talk about the rooms in a second, what comes with the rooms. And here again is the desert type of environment there. Okay, that's all the pictures for this one. Okay, so this particular hotel in Tunisia, this one is, it comes with daily breakfast. The lowest price room that I found there, so these are what the prices are starting as. It's $224 per room per night, and each room comes with 1 king-size bed, a separate shower and bathtub. This one comes with desert views, an outdoor terrace with a day bed. So for 1 room, you can fit 2 people. And again, 1 room per night is $224. So I did the calculations, and that comes out to $1,568 for 7 days for 1 room. So again, 1 room fits 2 people, and per night, 1 room is $224. The cancellation policies on this one is free cancellation up to 7 days before arrival. So as long as you cancel a full 7 days before you arrive for your trip, there is no cancellation fees for this one. If for whatever reason your trip falls through, or you need to cancel or something to that effect. So that's your first option in North Africa, Tanzania. Excuse me, not Tanzania, Tunisia, excuse me. Okay, let's go to your second option. The second option is located in South Africa. So let's go to this one. Let's just start off with looking at a few pictures. Again, you can kind of see some of that, especially in this picture, some of the safari theme with the bedposts and the decor. It's very nice. Food looks really good too. These are just the different suites that you can choose from. So for my quotes, I just started at the most economical room, and you can just kind of go up from there if you want to upgrade, but I just wanted to start at the one with the lowest pricing. But anyway, okay, so those are the pictures of the actual hotel, this one in South Africa. So for your the room at the cheapest pricing, it's fits 2 people. It's 1 king size bed, and it's starting at $466.41 a room per night. So for 7 nights, I calculated that to be $3,264.67. Again, this one is free cancellation up to 7 days before arrival. So as long as if something changes or you need to cancel your trip up to 7 days before arrival, it's free cancellation. Okay. And again, this is $466.41 per room per night. And this is in South Africa. So let's just go to the map here. Okay, so this is the country of South Africa. Again, I wanted to give you guys some options as far as the region. So the very first one we looked at was in Tunisia, all the way North Africa. This one is in South Africa, the one we just looked at. Okay, so for the final option, and again, if you want more information or more options within a certain country or a certain region, just let me know and I can always do some more research on this. But these are just kind of some that I just picked out to start with. This last one is in Tanzania, and since we're already on the map, I'll go ahead and show you on the map. So let's see here. Tanzania is going to be East Africa, and it is right here. Tanzania, Arusha is right here, which is actually where this particular hotel is located. It's in Arusha, Tanzania. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this final one. Okay, let's go ahead and start with looking at the pictures. A very beautiful view. Okay, I think we went through all the pictures. So, did we get any? Yeah, we went through these. Yeah, we did. Okay, perfect. So, for this one, this is $262.60 per night per room. So in each room, it fits 1 king size bed, or you can choose between 2 single beds. So in one room, you can either do a king size bed or 2 single beds. Again, the no cancellation fees, as long as you cancel more than 7 days in advance. And I did the calculations. This is $1,838.02 for 7 days per room. So again, the fees on this one is $262.60 per night per room. And each room has one king size bed, or you can do 2 single beds. Okay, so these charge per room. As I mentioned, so I know it's a little bit different than the per person, but it charges per room. So based on the per room calculations, it does fit in all 3 of those, fit in your budget. So what happens next? So after you have time to really review, I would like for you all to let me know which country you're interested in. If you're interested in a particular hotel that I presented, or if you want me to do more research on another hotel or resort within a certain country, I can do that. And then once you all narrow down the country and or the hotel, I'll give you more information as far as the destination guide on the things that are to do in that particular city that the hotel is located in. And then from there, whenever you're ready to book your vacation, we can go ahead and put the deposit down. You can go ahead and make payments over time. I know your vacation isn't until 2023, so that's perfect. That's plenty of time to be able to have a nice, comfortable payment plan and be able to have the trip paid off well in advance or based on your own comfort. So anyway, again, thank you for reaching out to us. You can always contact us, info@gotravelafrica.com, if you have any more questions. Otherwise, I look forward to working with you, and I'm super excited about helping you guys plan your trip. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a good night.